Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We do have some clouds out to the west of us, and we do have some changes after we have enjoyed one whole day without really bad winds. And actually Sunday, not too bad, but it was breezy and it was cool. Today, really faring nice. Look how green things are. You can start to see many of the trees here in the valley budding out as we get ready to see some green around the scene here for a change. 64 at Hector, and it's 63 at Moorhead's Airport. Your wind is only 9 miles per hour, and it's from a cool northerly direction. Those north winds are keeping most of the Red River Valley and central Minnesota in the cool 50s and low 60s. But as we go to our far southern communities, well, things a little warmer there. We're not far from that 70-degree mark in Fergus Falls, and we've made it there and then some in Sisseton. Out to the west, we have 74 for you in Jamestown this hour. You go to the north by just a hop, skip, and a jump, and we have temperatures in the 60s. So all in all, temperature's pretty nice. It's a little cool in northern Minnesota, and the wind out of the north keeping us cool. It's strongest in our eastern counties for a change. Oftentimes you have, well, a little bit less wind than your neighbors in North Dakota thanks to the lack of trees out there. It usually blows a little harder. As we take a look at the radar, we do have some showers of rain moving in on the Highway 2 corridor, Williston and Points North, spreading in towards areas along Highway 83 between Minot and Max. As we head and look at the big view, we've got an unsettled pattern developing out in the North Pacific right now. You see this big counterclockwise spiral out here, and this is going to throw a few waves of rain chances our ways the next several days. You can see wave number one getting started here in the Rockies, from the northern Rockies of Montana through Colorado. So while we're quiet now, we even have those showers out to the west that will be impacting our weather. Now, as we set your forecast into motion for tonight, 50s remain up north and 60s for most down south as we head through the mid-evening hours. We'll have a few clouds is all I'm thinking from the activity out to the west. As far as rain chances go, we might see a spit or sprinkle in our far western counties this evening. Other than that, it looks quiet. As we head to bed tonight, temperatures falling pretty quickly. Now in central Minnesota, if we clear out there, we're expecting temperatures to be in the 30s for a few of you briefly, but still kind of cool. So if you're heading to bed tonight with those windows full open, it's going to be chilly. Grab another blanket. In the morning, we're going to see some sunshine, but look at the wind direction. We have northerly winds now. By morning, they're coming out of the south and east as we see low pressure developing to our west. That's often the case, and we'll see some gusts that could approach 30 miles per hour for a few in the Sisseton Hills. Now, by the mid-morning hours, I think we'll have a few spotty showers in our western counties, and as we go into midday, here it comes, folks. As we go through your midday and afternoon, the chance of rain does increase. Not all of us will see the rain, however. Up near the border, there's a little bit more organization to it. Down near the South Dakota border, there's more organization to it. Briefly heavy at times for some. And the best chance at staying dry looks to be right now across Minnesota. And nonetheless, temperatures as opposed to 70s will be in the 60s down south tomorrow, as we'll have uniform temperatures closer to that 60-degree mark for your afternoon and early evening. Spotty spits of rain along the international border as we head into the evening hours, then decreasing clouds and wind for the overnight. And that's how your Tuesday shapes up. So again, a spit of rain, not a lot. Another progression of that lunar eclipse as we started to see the shadow of the Earth impact the light that was hitting that moon. And look at that orange glow there. Anush, thanks so much for all of your photos. Outstanding. Yeah, look at temperatures there. Wednesday, not bad looking. 73 degrees. Can't rule out some sprinkles and spits of rain there. Then as we head into Thursday, look at this. We cool way back down into the 50s for most of us, and it looks stormy. This is going to be a pretty strong low pressure system that'll bring north winds in for Friday. So check out the precipitous fall in temperatures there. Closing the work week off in Fargo with morning readings in the 40s. That's right. Hutch has a flake on the forecast, but not for Fargo. I believe there'll be a chance in the far northern or western counties at seeing a morning ice crystal-like thing drifting out of the sky here or there. Then the weekend shows a nice rebound in temperatures to 58 degrees. I'm not selling that very good, but it does look unsettled. It doesn't look impactful as far as rainfall amounts until we get to that Thursday system. We'll keep our eyes on that.
It's a hard sell.
And let's forget about that snowflake for now. It's still a long ways away. It might melt.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.
Still ahead.